In 1915, a ship was crushed by ice in one of the coldest places on Earth. 28 men became trapped in Antarctica with no rescue team, no radio, and almost no chance of survival. They survived for nearly 2 years surrounded by freezing water, deadly storms, hunger, and isolation. Ernest Shackleton and his crew survived nearly 500 days in Antarctica after their ship was destroyed. No help. No escape. Extrême danger. What kept them alive wasn't luck. It was 3 survival decisions. And if they got even one wrong, they wouldn't survive. Shackleton was an explorer known for staying calm under pressure. He was 40 years old, strong-minded, and deeply respected by his crew. Among his most trusted men were Frank Worsley, the ship's captain and navigator, and Tom Crean, a tough Irish sailor known for his courage and endurance. In 1914, Shackleton led the Endurance expedition to Antarctica. The goal was to cross the frozen continent from one side to the other. At first, the journey felt exciting. Huge icebergs floated around the ship. Penguins walked across the snow. The men laughed, sang songs, and believed they were making history. But Antarctica can change very quickly. In January 1915, thick sea ice trapped their ship, the Endurance, in the Weddell Sea. At first, the crew believed the ice would break apart soon. Instead, it became tighter every day. Then winter arrived. The temperature dropped far below freezing. The ship groaned loudly as the ice crushed its wooden sides. The men heard cracking sounds during the night. Shackleton watched carefully because he knew the danger was growing. One night, the pressure became too much. The ice crushed the Endurance. Water rushed inside the ship. Wooden beams snapped loudly. Shackleton gave the order no sailor wanted to hear. Abandon ship. The men quickly carried food, supplies, tents, and lifeboats onto the ice. Behind them, their ship slowly sank into the frozen sea. Now survival truly began. The crew stood alone on floating ice in Antarctica with no way home. Some men were terrified. Others stared silently at the freezing darkness around them. But Shackleton understood something important. This was lesson 1. Stay calm and control your fear. Fear causes panic. Panic causes mistakes. Shackleton knew the men needed